Hello guys, welcome to ARCT Originals. Okay, now I've just received two puzzles from this morning and I'm so excited to unbox it. So if I give you a clue, though, both the puzzles are watch accessories. Okay, let's unbox it. And here it is. Both the puzzles are here. So now first we'll open this box, then this cover. Okay, and here it is. So here's the bill and here's the packing. Now so we'll open this first. Very tightly wrapped, and I have opened it, and here it is, the watch screen protector. It's the Pmma watch screen protector. So it says, this is the protector and it's 44 millimeter, and here it says automatic fit and fast adhesive. Wow. And backside what is written? Physical reinforcement. I think the lights are blurring. I'll switch off the light now. Now, yes. Physical reinforcement technology, no broken edge, and toughened glass membrane, real tempered glass protect, curve overall screen cover glass, 9H super strong, 9H hardness, just impossible to make scratches, evolution in every dimension, the latest generation glass. So the latest generation curvy border glass, membrane, premium tempered glass, protector, product features. It's nice. So before fitting this to the watch, we'll unbox the other cover too. And here's the cover. Now just open it. And open it, and here's it, the watch strap, and it's nice. Anything else inside the package? Nothing. So and here's the Pmma and here's the strap. So we'll fit both this into a watch. So and here's the three things. So first let me remove this. I removed it. Okay, and here it is. And remove the watch strap first. So it's nice and good. So now let me fit this to my watch. So I don't know whether it'll fit or not. And here it is. I fixed it and I have fitted. So nice. Just tight it by pulling this further front. See? Now let's fix this. Let's fit this Finally, I've opened it. So, oh, that's it. I thought there would be at least 2 covers for this price, but it's okay. Nice. Haha. Okay, now let's fit this into a watch. So instruction, how do you do it? Let's do. Pretty small. Next, the dry wipes. So now the marks are gone. Now we'll apply the protector. So I've just opened it, and here's the protector. Will it fit? Yes, it fits. So now I'll just apply it. So the bubbles are still there. So to remove it, I'll just have to press it tightly so that no air gets in. Okay, and here's the new look of my watch with the temper glass and this new strap. So it's really nice and so sleek to keep inside my hand. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.